Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of CarShield, a prominent provider of vehicle service contracts often referred to as extended car warranties. We'll explore their offerings, features, pricing, and help you determine if CarShield is the right choice for your vehicle protection needs in 2025. Let's get right to it. CarShield has been in the industry for over 20 years. Covering more than 2 million vehicles and paying out over 1 billion in claims. Their mission is to alleviate the stress associated with unexpected vehicle repairs by offering a range of protection plans tailored to different needs and budgets. CarShield specializes in shielding their members from the high cost of automobile repairs. They offer a wide range of vehicle service plans and they're set up to be very flexible. They want to make it easy for you to find the plan that fits your needs perfectly. As they say, peace of mind is priceless, so never skimp on a service you may need during an emergency. CarShield claims to be highly rated on Google and helps drivers nationwide to stay protected, saving customers thousands on costly repairs. Let us talk about the main features. Here we'll be talking about the specific protection plans that CarShield offers. The Diamond Plan. This is CarShield's most comprehensive coverage, akin to a new car's factory warranty. It covers a wide array of components including the engine, transmission, drive axles, alternator, and fuel pump. This plan is ideal for those seeking extensive protection. Platinum Plan. It is designed for vehicles with higher mileage. The Platinum Plan covers essential systems such as the engine, transmission, air conditioning, electrical components, starter, water pump, and fuel pump. It's a robust option for older vehicles. Gold Plan. This plan offers enhanced powertrain coverage including the engine, transmission, water pump, starter, alternator, air conditioning, and power window motors. It's suitable for vehicles exceeding 100,000 miles. Gold Select Plan. It is tailored for high mileage vehicles, and the Gold Select plan covers key components like the engine, transmission, water pump, alternator, starter, air conditioning system, and power window motors. There's also the Silver Plan. It's also a basic powertrain coverage plan and it focuses on vital parts of the car like the engine, transmission, and water pump, covering all lubricated components. It's an affordable option for essential protection. There's the Aluminium Plan that addresses electrical and computer-related issues, covering components like the engine, control module, starter, alternator, GPS, and the overall electrical system. They also have the motorcycle and ATV plans. CarShield extends its coverage beyond standard vehicles into motorcycles, all-terrain vehicles, and other specialty vehicles. Electric Vehicle Plan. With the rise of electric vehicles, CarShield offers plans covering components specific to electric vehicles. Now, beyond the core coverage, CarShield plans often include additional perks. You may want to know them. 24/7 roadside assistance. That includes access to services like towing, battery jump starts, and fuel delivery. Rental car reimbursement. Coverage for rental cars expenses while your vehicle undergoes repairs. And trip interruption coverage, which is financial assistance for lodging and meals if a breakdown occurs away from your home. These benefits aim to provide peace of mind and minimize inconvenience during unexpected vehicle issues. Let us talk about the pricing. To find a plan that best suits your vehicle and driving habits, CarShield provides a Get a Free Quote feature on their website. You would find it in a green button on the header of the website. By entering your vehicle and personal details, you can receive a customized plan and pricing that helps you know what to do. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using the CarShield Car Protection and Warranty. First, the pros. Diverse coverage options. A variety of plans to suit different vehicles and budgets, including motorcycles. Flexible payment plans. The payment structures are customizable without long-term commitments. Additional benefits. Services like roadside assistance and rental car reimbursements included in many plans. How about the cons? Mixed customer reviews. Some customers report challenges with claims processing and customer service. Recent legal issues. The FTC settlement highlights past concerns regarding advertising practices. Based on this, it's essential to address recent developments. In August 2024, CarShield agreed to a $10 million settlement with the Federal Trade Commission over allegations of deceptive advertising practices. While CarShield did not admit to any wrongdoing, they have committed to enhancing transparency in their marketing and customer communications. This underscores the importance of thoroughly reviewing contract terms and asking detailed questions before committing to a plan. So even after getting a free quote, you can dial the contact number on the website to speak with an agent. In conclusion, CarShield offers a range of vehicle service contracts that can provide valuable protection against unexpected repair costs. Their flexible plans and additional benefits are appealing. However, it's vital to stay informed about recent developments and ensure you fully understand the terms of any contract. As of 2025, whether CarShield is the best coverage option depends on individual circumstances and preferences. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Endurance, Car Checks, and Protect My Car. Thank you for joining me on this comprehensive review of CarShield. Remember, the right vehicle protection plan can save you from unexpected expenses and provide peace of mind on the road. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.